Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we are going to guide you through how to fix not receiving text messages on iPhone. So let's get started. First thing first, let's start with the airplane mode turning on and off. Swipe down or pull down the control panel of your iPhone, then turn on and off the airplane mode. Turning airplane mode on and off can sometimes help resolve network glitches or connectivity issues on your iPhone. Now let's move towards our second option, and that is restarting your iPhone. Restarting your iPhone can indeed help resolve various issues and glitches including network related problems. So now restart your iPhone. After restarting, if it's still not working, then simply go to the settings and scroll down till you find the option messages. Then in messages, make sure that the iMessage is turned on. Then go back to settings and tap on general and tap on about. And here you will see if you have any updates to make. And if there is any update to download, then please make sure that you are in your latest iOS version. Now, after that, simply go back to the settings again and tap on general. Scroll down till you find transfer or reset iPhone. Then tap on it and then tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. And that is it. By following all these steps, you can simply solve the problem of your not receiving text messages on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.